and affiliate friends, Luke McGuire here, and this is your quick demo walkthrough of TokMate. Now, I'm just going to go through the key features here of the actual tool, but I want to get you guys review access right now. It's ready for you, and I just want to share with you some of the key features that this tool does, but more importantly, I want to get it in your hands. Again, we're going live on the 16th of October, and we're giving away over $30,000 in no minimum prizes. It's my first brand new software launch in 3 or 4 years now, so I'm hugely excited for it, and I cannot wait for you guys to be a part of it. So getting started, when you jump in, you will see this video here. Make sure to watch it. It will ensure you get set up the right way right out the gate. We've broken this down into essentially 3 key areas. Again, TokMate is the only tool in the world that lets you find the most trending content in any niche, then allow you to analyze it, to segment out the very best of the best, and then repurpose it and repost it to your account with the right hashtags and the right information in the description for it to then go viral again. And the beautiful thing about TikTok is that it shows its content to people who are interested in a specific niche or area right now. It's not like Instagram or Facebook where they might have liked a page 2 years ago related to fitness, and they don't really care about fitness anymore, right? So it's going to ensure that your content and your page is going to get seen by the right people at the right time, setting that piece of content viral, and then other pieces of content on your page viral as well, and then including your own sales page, sales offers, opt-ins, anything else that you've included in your description there or other pieces of content. So without further ado, let's get started. The trending tab here goes over the most trending niches right now. So what's trending in the world right now, from trending hashtags, trending songs on TikTok, trending videos. But what I want to get into in this demo is looking through the discovery section. So keyword search, account search, hashtag search, and the explore feed on TikTok. Let's start off with the keyword search here. And I wanted to say search for the word. Let's just do fitness as that example that I just shared. Then we're going to hit search, and it's going to pull up TikTok for me here. Now, the cool thing with TokMate is we've integrated here with that little drop down. You can see the actual accounts inside of TokMate we have set up. And you'll notice on all of these videos that there's a star option and a download button. So if I hit download on any of these, it'll download this piece of content direct to my computer, where I can then post it later inside of TokMate, or I can sync it direct to my phone and post through the TikTok app itself. But again, TokMate allows you to post and schedule direct through the platform. So you can see here, these pieces of content have 873,000 views, 9 million views, and you can easily start to see a lot of these pieces of content have millions and millions of views. So TikTok as well is a very viral platform. So getting the right content out there, your page can go viral very, very quickly. So let me just go ahead and star some of these. So by starring these, it will bring this content into TokMate, into content that I probably will look at posting at some point, right? So I've created a TikTok account around fitness. I've then searched for the word fitness. I can go ahead and start starring some of these pieces of content that have the millions and millions of views that I can then repost from my account. Now, I can also star the actual search term itself, and it will track any content posted in future as well. Now, not only that, I can also have a look at users. So I can see the most viral accounts here. So let's have a look at the Fitness Marshal, see what this one's all about. But Aussie Fitness. But if I click on these, I can then go ahead and start starring content as well from actual creators. So if I want to find the most viral content of any viral creator, I can do so like this. I can then also go through videos one by one. And then say I can also do hashtag searches as well. But let's just say I wanted to have a look at Gym Talk. This will then go ahead and let me see the most viral content that's been posted around the hashtag Gym Talk. Now, again, you can change that keyword to anything from tennis to it might be marketing. It could be cafe for local businesses. You can literally get as creative as you want and build niche accounts in any niche. And again, this works for affiliate marketing, local marketing, e-commerce, offline marketing, you name it. TokMate will ensure you get the most viral content and have your accounts going viral. Now, once you've done that, we can go into our analysis. Now, let's have a look at the accounts. So you'll see that we just went to a couple of accounts just then. TokMate will have recognized that, like the fitness marshal here. And you can see it has gone through, and I can segment this user's content out with the most liked content, the most saved, the most shared, and so on. I can also have a look at their stats to see how what hashtags they use. And this gives me a good idea of hashtags that I can then copy and use in my posts, depending on how they've gone with their engagement, their interaction, and so on and so forth. You can see I've done this for a bunch of different niches as well. Neil Patel down here. And again, it's as simple as selecting your account or creating an account in any different niche you want, and you can connect multiple accounts and manage right away. Now, with hashtags, we just had a look at the Gym Talk hashtag. Now, these are all different creators, and I can have a look at the most liked content from all of those creators right now, which is pretty insane. And again, any content that stands out to me, I can simply star it, and I can then have it saved into my starred save section here in TokMate. Now, finally, searches. We searched for the word cafe a second ago, and you can see here I can do the exact same thing. Look at the content that has the most views or engagement rate. I can also have a look at the stats here as well. So 36 million views on this piece of content, and I can star it right there. I can also download it directly here, or even create it into a post right away from this page itself. Now, let's go into saves, and this is where I've saved a bunch of different content. And we will see any starred content that I've recently saved. It'll be here. I can then go and segment this out accordingly as well. I can also have a look at some other statistics here as well from the accounts, hashtags, and searches. But let's go ahead and say I wanted to post this coffee page to my coffee inspired or cafe TikTok. I can go ahead and go here, create. Who's the video for? I can save it. I can have it post to everyone, to only mutual followed friends, or have it to be seen only by me. Or I can even just send it to my drafts in TikTok, because often people will want to use the TikTok editor, might want to change the song, might want to green screen the actual video, but that's the way you would then send that to your TikTok account, so you can access it via your phone and be ready to post right away. So let's go ahead and have this post to everyone. Now I can go to the next step, and I can change out the actual text that the previous poster had, and I can say something like, this is the most viral piece of content under the hashtag cafe, for example. And then I can do hashtag cafe. I can use go ahead and use hashtags down here according to ones that I've saved. There's a bunch of other things we can do. And then there's also a remix button here, which is one of our upgrades, which then essentially, actually I'll show you this in a second, but let's go ahead. I can schedule this content here, or I can go ahead and post directly and save it as a draft, or post directly here and post. Now it'll go straight away to the TikTok account that I have selected up here in TokMate, which is pretty insane. Now let's have a look at this quick remix option. Again, this is just one of our upgrades with our video editor, and we can go ahead and create content that is, I think it's referred to as slime content. So we can go ahead and it will split the content, with the top half being that viral video, the bottom half being a very engaging ASMR type video, gameplay, basically content that helps people stay engaged while looking, while the audio behind the content or the piece of content that we're reposting is playing as well. It just increases engagement. Now there's a bunch of different things we can do here. You'll have a bunch more options of pre-built content down here for you come launch day, and we're just in the process of uploading that now, but that's a really cool upgrade there. In terms of other upgrades, we've got our VIP training and our white label as well. But again, once you've gone ahead and done that, you can go into publish here. You can also see if this is where you can access your drafts, then your schedule posts, anything that's been published, and it's that simple. And when you start to schedule and have posts go out every single day in a specific niche that are viral, that are connected to your actual account, and TikTok will actually push that content into the right viewers' audiences, your account goes viral. People engage so much more on TikTok. than any other social platform. It is very quickly becoming the most used platform in the world, which is insane. I think the average user of TikTok spends 4 to 5 hours a day on the platform, which is insane. And really the only way to keep people's attention is to be posting extremely viral content. And TokMate is the first tool that allows you to do that. So in saying that, guys, your review copy is ready now. Please go ahead, let me know in the details below. I'd love to give you access right now so you can actually use this yourself and get results that you can share with your audience. Anything you need, myself and Simon Harries are here, and we really, really appreciate your time and excited to get you guys set up. So go ahead, reach out to us now, and I'll speak to you then. Bye.